Hi, I'm Wanda with Jimmy Branch Homestead, and today I'm going to be talking about finishing the pig pen and new arrivals on the homestead. So stay tuned. Hi, I'm Wanda, and this is my husband Wade, and we're on our way to pick up new animals for the homestead. Very excited to be adding these animals. Oh man, they're fast.
Oh, they're quick.
This is the dad.
So we're here picking up new pigs. Animals for our homestead. So we made it home with our new animals. Okay, so we have them. Oh, it's gonna learn. It just hit the hot wire. So we have our new additions to the homestead, 2 little piggies. These are feeder pigs. They will be butchered in the fall. Please leave in comments below if you have ideas for names for them. We do like them to be called food names because these are not pets. They are being raised for food. Here is the shelter we built in part 1. So as you can see, Wade finished putting in all the posts so they have a pen all the way around. He also put in wire, hot wire, to get in. This is what we store their food in. To get in, we will just open it here when we need to go in and feed and water. For now, I put their water over there because it will be in the shade sooner. The shade kind of works its way this way. So unfortunately, they are in full sun right now. They do have a shelter that they can get into if they decide to. I'll share how Wade's building the waterer today. This is not going to be their waterer for good. That down there, he is building a 55-gallon drum. No. This is Tippy. He's got to learn that they belong here now. Enjoying the wet grass. It's cool for them to lay in. Oh, she says the grass is better over there. Enjoying the grass. So as you can see, my husband Wade finished the outer perimeter by adding additional posts and hog panels. These are 16-foot hog panels. So the ends are 16 foot and the sides are 32 foot long. So inside, first of all, he left this one loose. It's not fastened down to the post so that we can open it and get in and out as needed. But inside, he has electric wire ran so that they won't push out the hog panels. So it is powered by solar and it runs around the entire perimeter of the pen. In addition, we added straw to the shelter to give them a nice cozy bed. And the water is a food grade drum, and he added a nipple. It's a stainless steel heavy duty nipple, and it includes a part on the inside and outside to really reinforce the plastic so it won't tear out, which I think is called a bulkhead. Okay, so we have had the pigs 2 full days now, and they're all settled in. We had a storm come through last night and this morning, pretty good rain, and they hung out in their shelter that has straw in it, and I went and looked inside, and they made them a nice cozy bed in it. So it kept them dry. Of course, they come out here and like to lay in the mud, so. So the water is over there by them. They like laying in that corner because that is the first area to get shaded. The shade comes and works back this way in the pen. So I feed them in this tub and on the ground. Before they came to be with us, they were used to eating off the ground. So they seem to like that better just because that's what they're used to. Hi, piggies. So these pigs are both sows. It's what was available. And we plan to butcher them in late October. We will take them to a butcher since that is something that we have not yet learned how to do. Plus we want to have the bacons and hams cured. So it's just simpler. It's not all that expensive per pound. So if you're enjoying this type of video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share our videos. It's the best way that you can help us to grow our channel. Thank you so much for watching Jimmy Branch Homestead.